So today's video, I'm doing something to these tires. Now, I've been contemplating about doing this. So while I was on vacation, I purchased some tire lettering for the tires. Now, I'm very skeptical because I don't know if it's gonna look good on the car, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So today's video, I purchased the Nitto tire lettering, and also we have some red stencils over here that's going to complement my brake calipers, and also we have some glue. I don't know how this is going to look, but we're going to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is be better on me is jack the whole car up. Not jack the whole car, jack one wheel up one by one, take the wheel off, clean the wheel, then put the tire lettering on the wheel. I was gonna do it just sitting down, but that's just too much, and it's gonna put a lot of hurt on my back, and I don't want that to happen. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I hope this turns out really good. All right, so the first wheel is off. Now, what I have to do first, you see I've put tire shine on this wheel before I left for vacation, and it's still on there. So what I need to do is get a microfiber towel and make sure this is wiped down completely, and then make sure it's dried, and we can start putting the letters on there. All right, so I did a little mock-up, and actually it does look good, not gonna lie. So I gotta do this one, gotta glue this one down, then I'm gonna do one right here. All right, so this is how the first one looks. Not that bad, not that bad. All right, so now I have my guide down, what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna start applying the same thing over here. So this is a very simple thing, but you just gotta be careful. You gotta be careful because you're dealing with glue, especially you don't wanna get this glue on you. This glue would it's hard to get off. So I know I have a little scrubs and scrapes over here, so I'm gonna get some like something to get that stick that glue off. So it's not worried about that, but it's coming out good, coming out good. So I'm kind of eager how it's gonna look when I get it back on the car. So let's knock this one out right quick and do the same, apply the same concept, and let's throw this wheel back on and see how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna put the wheel back on the car right quick and see how it looks. Do a little test fit. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. I like it, I like it, I like it. That's gonna look nice. That's gonna look very nice. Like I said before, the red complements my brake calipers, even though I need to clean those. Looks good, looks good. I don't plan on showing you guys all 3 wheels how to put this on. This is very simple right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the stickers on all the other wheels right quick, and when I get done with that, I'm gonna show you guys a whole walk around of it, because it looks good. Looks good. All right, so this is the final look. You know, I was telling you I was skeptical. Man, I tell you what, I'm really liking this look. It's so clean. So clean. All right, so this comes to the very, end of the video. But if you want these tire letters just like this, I'm gonna have it in the description below. eBay. I'm expecting eBay to pick these up, but I got them from eBay Motors. Good site. If you don't use eBay Motors, use it. I'm telling you, they have a lot of stuff on there for your car. But yes, I'm loving this new look, loving the new style. I like it. It goes clean with the calipers. I'm so glad I switched to red instead of kept that ugly bumblebee yellow. But I'm so glad I did that, because it matched perfectly with this look right here. So yeah, comes to the very end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a quick one. I really didn't go really much in detail, but when it comes to tire lettering, I mean, it's basically a simple process you can do. Easy steps. Take your time with it. I have so much glue on my hands right now, so I got some sandpaper over there that gave me the box that I'm gonna use to get most of this super glue off. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Like always, see you guys later, and see ya.